Why choose your local Honda dealership? Genuine Honda parts. Genuine Honda parts are made and tested for your specific vehicle. You can be assured that genuine Honda parts are an ideal match for your vehicle. Quality. Our technicians work and train exclusively with Honda vehicles like yours. When you bring your vehicle in, you know it's in the hands of Honda experts. Convenience. Your time is valuable, so we want to make servicing as convenient for you as possible. Our technicians will not only complete your planned maintenance, but also perform a thorough inspection of all critical areas. Competitiveness. What is the real cost of servicing your vehicle? We strive to make your experience as easy as possible, keeping costs low and saving you time in the long run. Maintenance minder. Each driver is unique, so why go in for maintenance at the same time? With our maintenance minder system, only come in when you need to. Visit your local Honda dealer today to see what we can do for you.